Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to sand cutics like this. That's it. How some cutics with color. First I'm going to have some pink. Flash on. Do not! Papakita pa eh. Pangit-pangit mo. Pangit ka. Then this one. Some color of it. Then this one. Our names. Then when you're finished, all about this one. And I'm gonna on the light first. Like this one. Some colors and some colors of your nails that I have was done to the upstairs because it's already buttery. And I have to cover it because if you want that I have blue velvet like this one, because I have no yellow and I was done. It's two cutics that is in here. It's like it's a color cutics. And if you want this, goodbye. See you to the next episode.